Hiccups. Hiccups. Buzz. Alright, so what do we do? Where do we go? What do we... Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So we got to go back to the sinkhole, which means we got to go this way.
So you just want to head there first?
Yep.
So my backpack is literally right where we left off yesterday. Behind you, losing my stamina.
Well, let's get back up to our house. Let's round up the meds we have saved there.
We don't have any.
We had a whole bunch on the shelf.
I took them all.
Well, let's go visit. Let's go say hi. When was the last time you came back to here? All our meat's gone. There's a can of pop.
Yeah, that's a visual glitch. I couldn't take that.
Yeah, I see that. Okay.
Okay, so hold on.
Where are you at?
I'm looking at the video. Okay, so exactly west. See how in the distance there's no trees, there's like a gap.
Yeah.
We need to find an area that looks like that.
Okay, so that's north, east, west. So this is, you're going west.
West, Dad. West is this way. Look, it's right here. We have to be over here. We're not heading towards that.
Well, that's west over that way. West is to the right. Oh.
We have to be looking west, I guess.
If you look straight, see that barren space with no trees?
Yeah, and then we said something about a mountain.
Yeah, and you go west. West is to the right.
Dad, hold on.
That's not west. North, south, east.
Whatever.
Wait, hold on. North, south, east. You're right. You're right.
Yeah,
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. It's dark. You want to go sleep?
No, we're not sleeping. We're making fire. That was poorly timed. We also can't sleep.
I can save.
No, don't save.
I'm saving.
You know, you should never save.
I saved.
Okay, great. Alright, well, let's...
I can not
see
sleep.
The mountain?
Can almost sleep.
Can you see the mountain?
Yeah.
I can sleep. Sleep.
I am also sleeping. Oh.
I told you it's a temporary shelter.
Alright.
Even though that's not even realistic for what a temporary shelter would do. Okay, wait, hold on.
You hold on.
The shipping containers are going to be on a beach when we find them. Or I guess they could have signed up the beach.
So what you're saying is go this way and head towards the water?
Yes.
That's a camp.
We're going to find...
That's a camp we already went to.
No, but we have... No, Dad, look. I know that, but I remember passing shipping containers through here.
Here's a cave.
Did we find it?
I found a cave.
No, hold on. Let me continue watching the video because I don't know if you found it. Is it right?
You sure?
Yes, because there's no shipping containers, so we gotta keep heading west.
Well, that's not west. You're heading south.
No, this is west.
That is south.
Well, I don't know. I don't know where the shipping containers are.
Why don't we explore that cave? We haven't been in there yet.
I don't want to explore the cave. I'm worried about the key card.
What if it's in there?
It's not in there because that's not the cave entrance.
Oh, good lord. I gotta eat.
What?
There's a guy straight ahead. A couple guys.
Run.
No,
There's no beach over there.
but there's grass and everything up here.
Yeah, but this isn't west either.
There's the mountain. There's a guy running. I think we should just go explore this cave.
Yeah, we're not gonna make any progress tonight then.
Well, sounds like you made friends.
Okay, can you watch my back while I figure this out?
Yep. That's what I'm here for.
Okay, so we're looking right here.
We are. We are here and we are looking.
Okay, this is the exact location.
That's a mountain. West would be this way.
I figured it out. Where are you?
Deer.
Where are you?
Deer.
Get over here, please. Over here. There, and I figured it out. Okay, don't head into the beach yet. Just follow me.
Following you.
Get the deer.
Oh.
I don't know what that was. Hold on. I got misaligned a little bit.
It's a baby.
What? Where?
Oh, I just killed it. Following you. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my god, these hiccups.
I think we found it.
Oh. I see nothing. Oh.
Hold on. Look out on the beach for any shipping containers. What is that?
What is what?
That.
Oh, that's a big guy that likes to say hello that we do not want to encounter, especially since there's like 6 other guys down there. Did you find the shipping containers?
On the shipping containers. Dad, come on.
Help me.
It's fine, it's one guy.
Yeah, but if we both take him out, we can take him out quick.
Well, I can't take him out any quicker if you keep poking me in the ass with your stick.
Okay.
Okay, find the cave, find the cave, find the cave.
Where's the cave at?
In a pile of rocks.
I'm on a rock.
Hold on. Just give me a minute. Let me eat something and... No, Dad, it's literally in the rocks. Dad, right here. It's legit inside the rock.
Ooh. Do we want to make a safe place?
Wait, hold on. Do you just want to go to a hunting shelter? Do you think it would be easier? Because there's already trees. Dad. Hey, you have to kind of do this when you're both not here to watch. You just gotta keep moving back and forth and circling.
I need sticks.
Oh, can you go collect 6?
You don't have any?
No.
Oh, good lord.
Okay, we're gonna pass our rope. Do not go down the rope. Once we're in, that's when we're in the cave.
Oh, I need one more stick. All right, going in.
Wait. Okay, now let's go.
I'm in.
Lag. Fire's lit.
Good.
Auto alcohol.
Found a tape.
You're right behind me, right? Shouldn't you be in front since you have the Molotov ready?
I do not have it ready.
Oh, can you have it ready? Do you have hairspray?
I have Molotov ready.
Do you have hairspray?
Yeah.
Okay, have that ready too.
I can't. I have the Molotov ready.
Have it ready to be equipped.
You're ready to be equipped.
What?
What?
That does not sound right.
You don't sound right. Do we go straight or do we go down?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Straight.
What do you mean no? I asked if we go straight or get down. You give me the answer of no.
Because I told you, I said when we pass the hole, we pass the hole. We don't go down the hole.
I was verifying. Why are you running ahead? Kill that baby. Kill that baby.
Where?
I don't know. I heard a squeak. Figured it was a baby.
It is a baby. Over here. Don't pass it wrong. No, that's babies down there. Okay, Dad, there's 3 of them. I see them down there.
Oh yeah, I see him too. Oh, well, I'm going down. Oh, jeez.
God. Hey, hurry up and get back on the roof. Fine.
I can't. I'm dead. I'm almost dead, over halfway dead.
Yeah.
I'm alive. I'm alive.
Okay, now we're gonna sit here and wait for my health to regenerate. Don't do that again.
I didn't try to. Gotta eat some meth.
You keep singing like that, I'm just gonna kill you and leave you here.
Well, okay then.
Shut up. Is this guy dead? Yeah, he's dead. Do you want to get some body parts for food? Since we really don't have any right now.
Yeah. Oh.
Great spear.
Hello.
Did you do that?
So left or right?
I can't remember. He said break through barricade. Yeah, I remember.
Should I have Molotov ready?
Yes.
Sounds like it.
Yes, because there's gonna be a big guy down there, but I can't see him.
I see him.
Hold on, I'm gonna shine the flashlight and help you aim.
Hold on. Bow and arrow. Let me get his attention. He's right there.
Is my light helping? I can't see
Yeah,
him.
yeah, it is.
Okay, I'll just.
Got his attention. Alright, let's see here. Equip that.
If you throw a Molotov straight down, you should be able to get him. Not at your feet. Good.
Hold on.
Oh, Dad, it's gonna hit your feet. Oh, never mind.
Got him.
Is he actually dead?
No. These guys take quite a few to die.
Are you sure my light's helping? I cannot see anything.
There's so many babies.
Yeah, but the babies are easy to kill.
Alright, I see him. Hold on.
Don't move any more forward. Than you
I
will.
know.
Don't move back. Dad, you missed. No, don't hit him. I see him on my screen.
I can't get him.
Dad, move.
I got him.
Oh, you caused him to move. I would have had him.
Whose fault is that?
I told you not to move. Don't craft more. We need.
I'm gonna craft one.
I keep drinking this stupid booze.
He's right there. Ah!
That's why I said don't do that.
Ah!
Do you have more?
I can make another one.
Okay, great. Make another. Don't move forward.
Where the hell is he?
I don't know. I need to re-equip my flashlight because someone decided to be stupid and throw a Molotov at their foot.
I got him.
Did you actually get him?
With an arrow.
How? It was dark.
Don't worry about it. Don't judge me.
Let's just get out there.
Hold on. I'm gonna make it one more Molotov. Okay?
No, we don't have.
I got 3.
We need one for a bomb.
All right. Well, let me shoot him.
You're gonna shoot the tiny babies.
After he runs around like a maniac and calms down, after I hit him, I can shoot him again.
What, the baby?
No, the big dude.
You said you killed the big dude.
No, he's still there.
You said you killed him.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I asked you if you killed him. You said yes.
Yes, if I hit him, and I said yes.
I said, did you get him?
No, I did not get him.
Those are two different things. Where is he?
He's straight down below me, right here.
Okay, yeah, I see him. Just throw another Molotov, or give me the Molotov. Preferably give me the Molotov.
Let me make another one.
Alright, no.
What do you mean no?
I mean, no. And you're gonna throw it at our feet again. I'll stand where I'm standing and you'll have a direct
Well,
shot of him.
move.
I can't move. Alright, he's right there. Throw it.
Where?
Right there, look.
I don't see him.
You're literally staring right at him. Hey, come over here then.
Oh.
You don't see that big thing moving around?
Right here? Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah, throw it before he gets away. Alright, now shoot.
I can't. He ran to us.
Just give him a second.
Oh. God damn this guy.
He's still moving.
Well, yeah, he's still alive. Let him lure out. Hit him. I hit him. Where'd he go? He's back down there. All right. Where'd he go?
He's on my side.
I see him.
I'm throwing a flare down there.
All right, let me make them all top.
I didn't light the flare. Where is he?
I see him.
Is this helping?
I missed him. I completely missed him.
Just get him in the fire. Hit him with the slingshot. He'll run in the fire.
Well, you want to go down and just take him out? Take him out?
I don't have any heals.
Huh?
I don't have any heals.
I probably should have lit that flare.
All it seems to be doing is making him angry.
I know. Oh, God, I went down again! I died. Come on, Dom, you can do it. You did it. Get me up.
I can't. I have these stupid babies.
Get the babies. I'm Get out of my way. I'm slingshotting the babies.
They can do flips.
Yes, they can. There's one left.
Okay, all the babies are dead. Okay, can we please have a campfire and
All the babies are dead.
Damn, I'm sorry.
Alright, make a campfire.
I can't. You have to make it. I don't have any sticks. Do you have any ready food?
Hold on, I found something.
Don't we have a camp right outside of this? Can't we just go outside and
Yeah,
eat?
right up top, there's a camp.
Okay, well, we need to hurry up. Okay, grab the camera.
What camera?
The camera.
Oh, I got the camera.
Do you have the card?
What card?
The key card that we came down here for.
No.
Is there only one card?
Passenger manifest? Where the hell is the key card? Did you get the key card?
I did.
I got the key card.
Okay, great. Let's
Alright.
go.
Okay.
Do you have any food on you? Like,
Yeah. Oh,
ready to eat food?
yeah.
Can I
Hold on.
have some? It's
I'm stuck.
Alright. I already did save. It's nighttime, I think.
You want to sleep down here?
No, it's daytime. Don't sleep, come on.
I don't know where to go.
Go forward.
Oh, there you are. All right. All right. Cool. Key card. What is that?
I don't know, that's why I said come back.
I'm back.
Well, where do we have to... Which house is good house?
I made it green. It's no longer green. Oh my god, I hate this game. Right here, straight ahead. Oh shit, he took me down.
We need to pick a direction quick.
I'm saying this way, far left house. Because we were at the very north. Alright, far left house, I believe it is our house to the ledge where we go in at.
Yeah, but remember, we're not going in.
Why not?
Oh wait, never mind. We are going, just kidding.
Till we figure out something else we need once we get in there.
What did we do yesterday? Did we go into that part that indents? Like the little indent in the cave? Maybe where we found all the squares at? Or did we just jump straight in? No, we didn't jump straight in. That's alright.
We climbed down. We went down, remember?
Oh, by the way, my original backpack's gone.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is it over here. It was across the stream, remember?
Yeah. Do we have food there?
We did at some point in time. Whether we do now is questionable.
I had all the food in my backpack.
I have food. Well, I am not hungry, I mean. Oh my god, these hiccups. Alright, swimming across. Alright.
Daylight has something to do with you equipping it.
Silence! Silence!
That means you don't have it, and that means I don't have it either. I don't have my oxygen tank, so you'll have to get one to me.
What? All right, let's get to the house and save.
Wait, never mind. I have the. I don't know. I have 3 from the skeleton. I remember.
I'm getting to the house and saving.
I don't have any.
All right, we got meat here. We got meats. We got meats. We're like Arby's. We have the meats.
You do realize we're still recording.
Shut up. All right, saving. All right, save here. Number 5.
Your game had a stroke.
Save. Save.
I did. Get out of the. Where am I?
You're in the house. You're safe. You're out of the house. You're not safe.
I'm grabbing food.
Apparently, I'm eating it.
You just put spoiled food on the thing. Don't drop the chicken. I mean, don't eat the chicken I just dropped.
Apparently, it hasn't rained because our turtle shells are all empty. Oh, no, wait. Oh, there we go. Slurp, slurp. Get a couple slurps. Yeah, I'm full on sticks, so if you want to grab these here.
Oh, no, I don't have any room. I'm getting leaves.
All right, well, into the hole we go. I'm going into the hole. Because the hole beckons to me. Sometimes the hole
You
is...
quit playing peekaboo and get down there.
Peekaboo.
If I remember correctly, there's not really any enemies inside the cave itself. And then there's a little hole that we have to go through here, right?
Yep, right here. And this should take us out to the ledge.
Wait, but the briefcases are in the other
No.
direction.
This is not the ledge.
Yes, it is. Why do we have to hit him? Why do we have to hit a body that's already hanging? Why couldn't we just shake him and empty his pockets?
Shake them down! Alright, up. Oh. Run through, run through. And this should take us out to the ledge. Yes. We're at the ledge.
Just be careful though, it's tank and everything.
Yep. I'm hitting these. Get myself some trinkets. Oh.
You have a bottle of booze.
Yeah.
That's it.
Why?
Explosive.
Maybe I want to make the explosives.
You don't have circuit boards.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, well, make explosive then.
Watch coins. Okay.
Do you have all this?
We have the key card. We shouldn't need.
No, I meant just use it against the enemies. Oh wait, we don't even need to worry about. Yeah, but the enemies that we have to come across inside the thing, just put one just in case. Do not use it.
I removed it. Do you have any more booze? I need one more booze and I can make another one.
I don't.
You don't.
It's attached to my spear.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
I haven't figured out how to use the incendiary spear, so I've just been
This way.
this way. Hold on, let me get a flashlight out. This is where we're gonna die.
Not this way.
Not that way.
Follow me.
You said not that way.
Well, follow me.
Ooh. Are you doing okay as far as like fall damage?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Just kind of move your character backwards as you shimmy down.
I'm not heading over to these rocks.
You can tell you're not supposed to be down here because if you look at the side rocks, you can see how bad the textures are.
Yeah.
Do we care about the machete or do we just want to? Because you said the speed and damage are
Oh,
higher with the spear.
they are.
Help! Help! Help!
Did you die?
This went too far. Just come get me.
Did you die?
Yes. Hurry up. Alright, kill me. Kill him first. There's only one of them. Alright, just kill me.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
I heard you.
He sees us. He is not happy.
Wait.
Good job.
You're missing.
I'm out. Oh, wow. He made it up. How? Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that. He came right in front of me and gave me a dirty look and then ran away.
Okay, good. Well, good. He acknowledged. I am out of arrows already.
I say we just sprint for the hole. Where is the hole?
The hole is straight across, but I can't remember exactly where we gotta go to go up. So we should probably wait till daylight till I can see where we are.
Oh, it's already 12.
I know. But I don't think we can make a... Can we make a shelter here?
You can? I don't have any more sticks.
Neither do I. Oh, we do!
You just said you didn't have any.
Don't judge.
Sleep.
No, don't sleep.
We have candy.
Huh?
We have candy and drinks. We're fine.
Okay, but remember, it destroys us. You want to sleep?
How else are we supposed to get down there? Oh, hold on. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. That big guy's over here again.
Where?
Down, hiding in the corner.
All we have to do is make it across those rocks there. So,
Is the hole down there?
on the other side of those rocks, straight ahead.
Well, don't jump because you'll take fall damage.
Yeah, so we got to go down to the right, race across, and make it up. I'm thinking those rocks in the middle or right here. Look at my screen. These rocks right here, I think, are what are able to get us up to here and around.
Do you have another booze?
What?
Booze.
I have one.
Can I see it?
You just want to look at it?
Oh, I need it.
Okay. Well, here's a question. Did you save here?
I did it twice.
I'm also doing it again. I will run, try to get across. And then,
I didn't like the damn bottle.
if I make it across...
Hey, can I borrow that bomb?
Nope, I'm going across.
Ow. Okay, whatever. Just go. Just go.
I'm in the water.
Find the hole.
I'm in the water. All you gotta do is make it in the water. You in the water? Oh,
Dad, go under. Go under. What are you doing?
someone came in with us. There's that board.
I'll give you chocolate.
I love chocolate. Build a fire.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
We used all of our sticks on that
Oh
shelter.
my god. Well, we're fucked. Not only am I hungry, but I'm freezing.
It only takes 2 in 2 weeks.
Thank God I can take care of us.
Don't put heads on the fire. Remember that, because it glitches out.
Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. Now we gotta go through this shit.
I dribbled a few skulls. Walk.
Hold on.
Oh, let me take this stupid breathing equipment off so I can see.
I don't even care about that. Found them. 3 guys.
Move. That I can't hit him.
Keep hitting. Just keep hitting. They run up. I am almost dead. Okay, I am dead. Those guys are tough.
That's why I said don't do that.